Hey everyone, have we ever found ourselves blocked from a website because of our IP or location, even when we haven't done anything wrong? In this video, we'll show how we can use NordVPN to change our IP and get back access to websites or services that may block our IP address by mistake or because of location issues. First, we open our NordVPN application. Once we're on the home screen, we look for a way to unlock ourselves from any sites by going to obfuscated servers. To find the obfuscated server, we go to the section next to the regular servers or countries and look for the specialty servers. We click this one, and here we see obfuscated server. An obfuscated server is a special VPN server that makes encrypted VPN traffic look like normal encrypted HTTPS web browsing. By scrambling data packets to hide VPN signatures, this service can get around deep packet inspection and firewalls that would usually block VPN usage. These servers are mainly used to get past heavy censorship or strict network restrictions. The purpose of the obfuscated service in NordVPN is to hide that we're using a VPN. They make VPN traffic look like normal internet traffic, letting us get past strict network firewalls or restrictions in countries or networks where VPN use is limited. This helps us keep our privacy and access while staying discreet online. To use this obfuscated service, we just click this one and let NordVPN do the rest. It will show in the upper right or lower right corner that we are connected to United Arab Emirates servers using an obfuscated server. That's how NordVPN can help us when we're dealing with access or IP-related issues. A VPN can help improve privacy and connection stability, but it's important to follow the rules of the platforms we use. If we're blocked or restricted, we should check the platform's policies or contact their support for the right solution. Stay secure and use these tools responsibly.